I'm gonna make this nice lady right here flirt with my brother-in-law because I want to know if my brother-in-law lawyer.
Me tell you that you cannot even talk. But anyway, we can get a number.
I have my 4-way flash on the right side of my...
Yeah, look out. Are you slow down there, sir?
Yeah. I found before police come sitting there. Before police come all out for me. Alright, so...
I'm nervous.
What?
I started. Switch off was me, I didn't make it here. Even though I can't be a drama type of person, but kind of a long time kind of school me do jam and stuff there, but I'm kind of afraid.
Alright, you never trick a man yet?
Only per time.
Alright, that can work. So you never tell a man say you like him before?
Yeah.
Alright. So you ever show up a somebody man where somebody man?
Show up where?
Yeah, like you know so that.
A somebody man and me push up.
Yeah, you never do that?
Not really.
Not really. Then call this a first time for everything, my G. First time for everything.
Yeah, me understand, but you know you have a little chill.
Basically, my brother-in-law, married man too, you know. I YouTube me do people and the people in my custody, them not get no video, so we are going to some video. We love hot and spicy content over here. So may I say, I'm gonna make this nice lady right here flirt with my brother-in-law because I want to know if my brother-in-law lawyer. I want to know if Lovell man love her. You see me I say? I want to know if he's a cheater. I want to know if we can trust him in our family. So I have this nice girl right here right now. What's your name again, my friend?
Sash, otherwise Sashay.
Oh my God, you hear that? That make Uno so wet. That's crazy. You see me I say? So I have this idea sketched out where big up Odin. You know why I big up, bro. You see me? Because you make the link for me. Try everything to get that thing. You see me? And we just want to see how I'm going to respond to you. People, Lucy believes say I'm wait for Angel to come. So I'm right around at the back of the car. So I don't tell the girl. Well, me and the girl plan up and talk what she's supposed to do. So I plan to do a video through the window. I always get nervous when I add outside people to me prank them because I just afraid them feel it. You see what I say? Jaja. Alright, I see girl, I see her. She'll go straight to him.
Me tell you that you cannot even talk. No, for real. No, for real. No, for true. Like, when you see my skin, I don't know. Yes.
Why?
Me love watch it one, especially you. So, yeah.
Alright, we have to love watch, man.
No, me not feel love it one. Me love, yeah, me love. Me not say me not love it one, but me admire you more.
Alright, we have to love, man.
Yeah, me favorite differently when nobody no know about. Yeah, me admire you. Like me wish for ever buck up in you one day. Yeah. Yeah, for real. But anyway, we can get a number.
No, you're married.
Why?
You're married, man.
What did that say?
Hey, you must watch the channel.
What did that? Who are going to know?
No, but no. My wife, me not eat nothing for my wife, man, sir.
You not eat nothing?
No, sir, nothing.
Nothing, so me ask the question, say you don't have no eyes for nobody else?
No, sir.
Seriously?
Only eyes me have for my wife and my baby.
Yeah,
man.
No, me like you for real. I mean, on top talk. Me wish to see you one day.
Like.
Yeah, me wish for meet you and sitting.
Can't stop it for like. Oh, but good man, in a church, you know, man, you can't find him in there.
Then look here, I was in a church. So I was in. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. Temptation hold me.
Yeah,
you don't call it say me, you don't tell me, you don't call myself like, yeah, that's why I said to you, say you can't say you don't have no eyes for nobody else, but you control yourself.
Different type of temptation.
So me not look nice?
Everybody look nice. 'Cause
No,
that
me
whole-
accent
whole are we
different.
made by
Stop
God.
back. No,
Whole are
don't
we
do that.
made by
I
God.
know that. No, just be.
Whole
Just
are we made by
no,
God.
no. For real. Me
Nah,
I talk
but-
as a big man and a big woman. Me I talk and your wife don't they hear?
You're not going to hear
No,
you're
listen
not going
up.
to get that out of me.
No, your wife is not here.
Mm.
Yeah, your wife is not here.
No more type of wife here.
Yeah, I mean I tell her say me not force if you don't, but me I tell her say me like you.
Me can't tell people like.
Yeah, so me not look nice.
Me not go and say that.
Why?
Why me I go tell you that?
But nobody know there
Me
so
not
fi-
admire you.
But nobody, but you just
You-
meet
you
me.
admire
You
me.
just meet me, right?
You admire me. You know,
Yeah.
for me, when you come and say in your face, me I look down. That you show you
Yeah,
say that
cause
effort and
temptation.
that
You know,
that
don't
effort
say
and
no
important
incest,
to me
please.
right
Stop
now.
tell
Man,
lie. Stop tell
you want to
lie.
pass something, just go home to my wife. My wife not turn me down none at all.
Yeah, me not say if your
Full
wife
of manners,
tell you
just ask politely. See me? Nothing like that.
stop going.
My daughter
Me not
love-
gonna lie
daughter-
to you.
Daughter love food, man, so can't share.
Your daughter love food.
Why can't share my daughter food? I'm mad.
So where so if you say me I talk to you for you have or
But me have to
whatever.
go spend for you. You never know say
I mean, love you.
Eh,
Say, no,
no,
I
no
mean,
woman
love you.
mind
So who this say me gonna mind?
But
No,
you
no.
say- you say you look
No,
at me-
but
no,
you say
sir.
you're gonna spend for me. Nobody that
Come
talk
on.
about that. Nobody that talk about
Fucking love
spend
is a
for
joke.
No, for real. Me really like you for
So fucking
true.
love is a joke. Let me go over.
No, for real. But me not hide me feel that at least me I tell you.
Can't like me, man. Since me a church man,
You
I'm
can't
mad,
say
man.
me can't like you. Me can't like
You
you.
can't lie, but me I say yo, that will never happen.
You will never, nothing no name never.
You can't tell me that.
Nothing no name
If
never.
ever you one song say, I've got my mind made up.
And I won't turn back.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Just
play
like-
tough. You play tough.
I no play tough.
You're playing tough because you're a man.
You know what I mean? In a church before me get married, I'm a whole out. Try know
you
that.
whole out.
Okay. Me not turn back. Where you roll off your offer? See,
Well-
all of them are there, so we are left them also. Yeah, you better try know that.
Yeah, that's right. You go left everything else. That's right. Me I said to you, say you never have no eye for nobody. Me not look good.
Me and my wife.
Yes, you have
If
a
me the
wife.
single, no problem. Me then I go look for you. But now me married and my wife. No
But
one
that
is
not
out there
say,
for
that
me.
not say.
You see, God bring the right one come to me. Who go for a love
No,
come
nobody
from.
is the
And
right
whoever me-
one.
me
Nobody.
the right, so she come from, go for she come for me. We are man devil.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
nobody
man.
is the right one. Nobody is
You
the
can't
right
tell
one.
me that. My wife is the right one to me, eh? That's how you feel.
Oh God. Oh, let me feel a way still.
Then you
You
don't have
know?
to feel a way. See me a married man.
No, me
You
never
tell
did.
her-
No, me
tell her-
understand your part. But me just a tell you, you really feel a way if you express yourself to somebody where you admire. Just like
No,
you
but
have.
you
Now,
could
listen,
keep it to
listen.
yourself.
Why?
Of course.
Why me don't keep it to myself?
Keep it
Me
to
see you,
yourself.
me meet you in a long time. Me want meet you in a long time.
You should have put in a comment
No,
section. Keep it to
why?
the people may answer you for me.
Why people not gonna answer you for me?
Cause
Suppose me
then-
want to see you privately and tell you that nothing wrong with that. You got to speak your mind
Well,
and set your
speak.
heart free. Me I tell you.
Me,
So
but
if
just speak, you know.
if it is a no, it's just a no. But me just a tell you how me feel because whole heap of people out there love you. Whole heap of people love you, no
so.
video and everything. Of course.
They love me because I'm humble, but you know you
No,
love me.
no. I know you don't get to know when me love you for or whatever. You're humble. Other them the type of
But
man
you
them
want
love.
number, you see when you get a number
No,
now.
so, no, there,
People
no.
woman.
Every woman is not the
Eh?
same. Okay, then you say, hey, so what about your wife? Your wife is a woman.
She only texts my wife, not text no other man. My wife is not the type of person.
So, but you don't know about me. I tell you, say your wife is not like, you
Me,
can't
but-
speak for me.
No,
You can't
but-
speak for myself.
But no, you say you want a number. You're mad, man.
Yeah, so what's wrong with it?
Eh, eh.
People can have friends, you know?
No, so
people
no,
can
no,
have
right
friends.
now, no woman friend.
You don't want a woman
No,
friend?
sir.
Why?
Eh, eh.
Why?
You're mad. Not keep no woman friend.
You not keep no woman friend?
Alright, make me stay with my wife. You're
Today your
mad.
birthday?
No, you say her niece's birthday.
Oh, so you're saying not attracted to no
other
woman at all? That's,
No
your, that's
other
your wife
woman.
alone?
Just my wife.
So what wrong with me? Me ask you.
No,
me not
you,
say
but
for
me-
breath.
but
No, I'm
me
not
not go.
saying. Me not saying no. But listen. We are human. We have blood run through. We and all these things. I'm not forcing you to whatever. Me just
But me don't
express
tell you say-
myself.
but me don't-
Yeah, me hear
but
what
answer
you
your
say.
question, no, me tell you say,
I
you all will
heard.
look good because we were made by God.
Yes, but you not hear me and say. You just continue to tell me. Me hear about your wife. I mean, no say you're married. You tell me a while ago about 5 times. You tell me say you're married. But yeah, me watch your video. I'm like you. Me have to express myself, and a long time I want to meet you. Long time. All the way, if me did see you with your lady, me wanna come up to
You're
you
the
because
mud, you're
listen,
bright too.
no, really, me.
You
Come
don't-
on,
and you got no-
come on. Why? Me wouldn't have no sense, cause me see and your lady, I would really walk up to you and say whatever.
You know, can
But-
come and say, hi Lucian, love her.
Yeah, but me I tell me book you one away and a long time once I sitting to you. So either what you have to say, go against what me have to
That
say.
will never happen.
And nothing like that. no go, so never. No, never say never. Never say never. No, I don't.
You could
No,
have rich,
you.
you could have rich, could have hot like fire, good like gold. Ever hear that song there? Me used to listen to that song there when I listen to hear. Could have hot like fire, good like gold.
Well, you said that's a woman and say.
Yeah.
You have no other.
I love
no
it,
other.
love her soul. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, play hard.
You have company, man.
Hi, Razor.
Hi, what's up?
I'm there.
You have company out there, man.
So she watch your channel.
Yeah, well, me
I
tell
think of myself.
Alright.
Yeah, tell him say.
I like him long time and I just want to express myself to him and he must shame
Can't watch
me.
film channel
No,
to
he's
the
shame.
YouTube thing and
I'm
all
watching, but he's not. You know, there's a lot of type out there.
Oh, you
But I
mean
know-
your type?
No.
But you married, you know?
But me tell him I'm in business.
No, I can't make it.
My brother in law,
I'm a brother in law.
Oh, you better know that. No way I tell my brother.
He passed the test.
He more fast. Okay, I got
No, Corona.
No.
Corona.
Oh. No, we can shake hands, please.
Yeah, man, no problem.
If we didn't have a man like this in our world, like
Yeah, man,
today,
love
world
wife,
would have been a better world. I
That's what
swear. No man. I'm tell a man is man. A man will ever be. Don't be preacher. We're in a church. Never turn down nobody. No business at all, but you really,
No, man, I love my
really.
wife. When I'm mad, man, I'm say, oh, my me go through my daddy.
No,
oh,
for real, man. You love your wife.
My daughter now
Really
go through
respect
that.
that.
No, dear. Adiana,
Respect
I
you.
love you.
Respect you.
Yes,
Get all
Respect.
the props.
Respect.
Yo,
No,
good
man.
job, good job.
No, sir.
Pressure me for you, why would I pressure you? That is
Yo, only thing you think you pass the test? Boy, me literally say conversation about dead with laugh.
He does a shame me and he does a me feel weird when he say, yo, what do me? So what do me? No, sir.
I forgot buy you a gift, my brother-in-law.